Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegance of Zoya. I hope so all of you are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I'm here with amazing collection of bodycon dresses. So viewers, this type of dresses looking for fitted dresses. Fitted dresses are tailored to hug the body's curve closely. So emphasizing these dresses are designed to be form-fitting and can vary in length, sleeve style and neckline. So basically when choosing a fitted dress, consider your body shape to find the most flattering style. A-line fitted dress can accentuate the waist and flare out at the hips, creating an hourglass shape. Bodycon dresses are extremely fitted, highlighting every curve. So, if you are looking for a dress for a specific occasion, think about the fabric, color, and any embellishments that can add a touch of elegance or fun to the dress. So, viewers, whether it's a sleek and sophisticated look for the formal event or a playful and colorful style for a casual outing, there are many options to choose from. So viewers, feel free to ask if you have more information and more collection and more question or need further details about fitted dress, so go and give me reviews in my comment section. So viewers, fitted dresses come in various styles such as sheet dress, which are sleek and straight from top to bottom, and mermaid dress that flare out at the bottom, resembling a mermaid tail. The choice of neckline, whether it's a sweetheart, V-neck or off the shoulder, so can also impact the overall look of the dress. When it comes to accessorizing a fitted dress, you can play around with belt, statement jewelry and shoes to enhance the outfit. Adding a belt at the waist can define your shape, while statement earrings or a bold necklace can draw attention to your upper body. So, additionally, consider the length of the dress based on the occasions. Midi and maxi length are great for more formal events, while mini dresses can be a fun and flirty choice for a night out. So, remember the key to rocking a fitted dress is confidence. Wear what makes you feel comfortable and beautiful. Let me know if you have more information and more questions. So, give me reviews in my comment section. So, viewers, bye bye, take care, अल्लाह हाफिज़. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआ में याद रखिएगा और मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब